Welcome back to 20 Car. There are machines that move us physically, and there are machines that move us spiritually, vehicles that are not merely mechanical extensions, but philosophical embodiments of presence, protection, and purpose. The 2026 GMC Yukon XL Unofficial Concept enters this realm not as a mere SUV, but as a rolling cathedral of comfort, a monument forged in chrome and conviction. In a time when most vehicles chase minimalism and subtlety, the Yukon XL dares to celebrate its enormity, not hide it. It's not just a tool for transport, it is a statement, a legacy passed from the asphalt of American highways to the backroads of vast landscapes. Here, you don't just sit. You reign. Here, the journey is no longer a route, it becomes a ritual of presence. Let's step into the world of the 2026 GMC Yukon XL Concept, where size meets soul. Exterior design review, grandeur with architectural precision. From every angle, the 2026 Yukon XL Concept exudes presence. Not aggression. Not flash. But respect commanding substance. Its design is unapologetically bold, a skyscraper in motion, defined by sharp geometry, shadow play, and impeccable detailing. The front fascia showcases the new Thunderline LED matrix grille, seamlessly blended with laser-sculpted DRLs that stretch like celestial beams across its colossal face. The iconic GMC logo is now illuminated from behind a transparent aluminum badge, floating midair like a badge of honor. The side profile is a masterclass in proportion. Taut character lines define a body that feels stretched by tension and control. The Aero Shadow wheel arches host massive 26-inch obsidian brushed turbine wheels with active cooling vanes. The rear features a light bar with kinetic wave animations, subtly mimicking pulse patterns when braking or accelerating. Dual panoramic roofs, front and rear, merge into a seamless sky spine glass canopy, giving it the silhouette of a futuristic armored luxury yacht. Color options include Northern Granite, Summit Indigo, and a specially developed volcanic pearl black that shifts tone in daylight. Interior design review, where comfort becomes ceremony. Step inside the Yukon XL Concept, and you don't feel like you've entered an SUV. You feel like you've entered a private executive suite at 90 kilometers height. The cabin is architecture meets human experience. Crafted from sustainably harvested black walnut, polished brass, and recycled ocean plastics woven into soft-touch panels, it's a space where elegance meets environmental responsibility. Each seat is individually sculpted and wrapped in zero-impact eucalyptus leather, offering 20-way adjustability, memory foam cushioning, and a wellness-grade air ventilation system. The second-row captain chairs feature leg massaging ottomans, and the third row is now a true lounge, not an afterthought. Flat floors, ambient lighting, and recline modes. Front and rear command centers feature dual panoramic displays, running GMC's Horizon XOS, a new operating system that uses voice emotionality recognition to adjust music, lighting, and cabin comfort. Every surface glows with warmth. The doors whisper shut. And at night, the ceiling becomes a star map, recreating real-time constellations above your route. Technical specifications review, Titan-powered precision. Powertrain, twin electric AWDE crate motors with range fusion generator. Output, 820 horsepower 1100 Newton-meters of torque. Platform, Ultium Max XL, reinforced for extended load bearing. Battery, 190 kWh Ultium Plus solid state. Extended range, 880 kilometers, with integrated hydrogen micro booster. Towing capacity, 5,800 kilograms. Cargo capacity, 4,200 liters. Autonomy, Level 4 Plus with Guardian Vision LiDAR fusion system. With independent air suspension at each corner and a 6D ride stabilization system, the Yukon XL doesn't drive, it levitates over terrain. It can lower by 3 inches for city driving and rise by 6 inches for off-road dominance. The range fusion generator extends battery life while powering external camping, rescue, or mobile office setups, a fortress on wheels with limitless adaptability. Fuel consumption in city and highway. Although technically an electric powerhouse, efficiency still impresses. City efficiency, 5.9 kilometers kWh. Highway efficiency, 6.3 kilometers kWh. Combined range, 880 kilometers, with hydrogen assist active. This makes it one of the most efficient full-size SUVs in the electric world, thanks to smart regenerative braking and a dual-system energy reclamation suite. 0 to 100 kilometers height acceleration review. 0-100 kilometers height, 4.1 seconds. That's not a typo. This 3-ton colossus can outrun many sports sedans. Acceleration feels like a launch aboard a private jet, smooth, controlled, and shockingly silent. And the most surprising part? No artificial sound tricks. Just pure, dignified propulsion. Buyer age range analysis. The Yukon XL Concept isn't for everyone. It's for the modern patriarchs and matriarchs, the ones building empires, running families, or conquering continents. Primary age range, 38, 65. Typical buyer profiles: CEOs and entrepreneurs, luxury adventure families, security-conscious VIPs, celebrities and touring artists, secondary market, government fleets, high-tier limo services, tech industry moguls. If you need space, presence, and silent luxury at scale, this is your holy grail. Comparison with competitors and other cars. Vehicle power range 0-100 km. Highest price. Yukon XL Concept 820 horsepower 880 km 4.1 seconds $160,000. Cadillac Escalade IQ 750 horsepower 720 km 4.4 seconds $130,000. Mercedes EQS SUV 536 horsepower 613 km 4.5 seconds $125,000. Rivian R1 S Max 835 horsepower 644 km 3.0 seconds $105,000. While not the cheapest, the Yukon XL delivers unmatched space, towing, range, and ambience, a class of one for long-haul electric luxury. Car price evaluation. Base price, $160,000. Platinum Heritage Edition, $185,000. Mobile Office Executive Spec, $210,000. Given its capability and opulence, the price is not just competitive, it's transformational for what it offers. This is the new bar for electric luxury utility. Driving experience. Driving this SUV feels like piloting a 5-star hotel on magnetic rails. City mode, ultra quiet, height lowered, with corner pivot steering. Eco Glide, regulates cabin systems and power delivery for max range. Tow mode, torque priority with predictive terrain shifting. Autopilot mode, engages range of view, which offers 300-meter road preview using drone-assisted visuals. Adventure mode, simulates analog feedback, stiffens ride, and activates external camera projections on the HUD. There is no stress. Just complete environmental control, wherever you are. Pros and cons analysis. Pros. Immense range and space, unrivaled cabin technology and comfort. Advanced AI-powered assistance. Real third-row luxury seating, off-the-grid capable with generator and solar options. Cons. Large footprint not suited to tight urban cores. Premium pricing. Complex tech may require dedicated support. Limited global availability at launch. Car purchase value assessment. For buyers needing a mix of family, luxury, technology, and work mobility, this is undoubtedly worth it. With long-range capability and executive-class features, the Yukon XL offers lasting value and flexibility beyond any rival. Expect strong resale value due to its pioneering spec and limited production runs. After-sales service evaluation. GMC plans to launch its most luxurious ownership suite ever, Yukon One. Includes AI maintenance scheduling, VIP concierge service across 45 countries, free mobile charging van deployment, first 3 years. Interior detailing every quarter. Extended software upgrades, OTA for 8 years. Plus, owners gain access to Yukon Reserve Resorts, GMC-branded exclusive destinations designed for long-range EV travel. Maintenance cost review. Annual cost estimate, $1,200, $1,800. Battery warranty, 12 years 300,000 kilometers. Air suspension system coverage, 8 years. Software and hardware diagnostics, free for first 5 years. While the vehicle's size and complexity increase potential costs, proactive AI-based service keeps unexpected failures nearly non-existent. Car insurance cost analysis. Estimated premium, $4,500, $6,200 per year. Factors: vehicle size, location, self-driving usage, storage. Coverage plans include onboard equipment protection, executive passenger liability, remote area breakdown response. GMC partners with insurers offering subscription-style, dynamic risk assessments, where your driving behavior lowers your rates in real time. Conclusion: an American icon, electrified with purpose. The 2026 GMC Yukon XL Unofficial Concept is more than a luxurious SUV. It's a vision of American might reimagined for the electric age: clean, bold, intelligent, and unapologetically massive. It represents the fusion of frontier spirit with future vision, of classic strength with digital grace. For the buyer who needs it all, room, range, power, and prestige, the Yukon XL answers with a silent thunder that few can match. This is not just a concept. It's a cultural reset on what a full-size SUV can be.